Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I want you to ask yourself, do you ever get cold feet? Well, if you do, then you are going to love this pair of heated socks from FREEHILL. These are for more than just people who are outside doing athletic things in the cold and snow. Other heated socks I've had in the past only heat a portion of the foot. So these are outstanding because the heating element covers the entire bottom of the foot. So it ensures that I have no cold areas of my footsies. These are also made with a merino wool blend, so they are moisture wicking. They're not itchy or scratchy. They're very soft and thick and comfortable. I got the size medium. I wear women's size 7.5. These fit me really well with a little bit of extra room, but not floppy at all. The battery pack does stick out about 1/2 inch from your calf, but I found that this fits easily under all the pants that I've worn and over leggings. Also, total bonus, these are machine washable or you can hand wash, totally up to you. I found that I can feel the wire on the bottom of my feet, but it is not uncomfortable. It doesn't poke or cause any problems at all. Also, if you're that person that has to have the heater blasting on your feet in the car and no one else is cold, this is going to be something that they totally love you having. I think these are really good quality. They're comfortable. They're perfect for me. And that's my point of view.